Hey guys, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we set a reminder on this Slack app. So let's get started. Once you open this Slack, you will get this page. Here you can see later option. Click on this and here you can you will get this page. Here you have to click on the new reminder option on the top right corner and you can just add when and you can just add date. Now you can add time here. Just click on this scroll down icon and you just can add time, and you can describe your reminder as, you can also keep it in the bold if you want. Select it and click on bold. You can italic it, you can also align it 1 2 3 and just click on the save option. So now you can see your reminder is added here. So this is how you can add reminder, and again if you want to archive it, then you just can click on the 3 dots and you can delete your reminder from here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.